Hello, my name is Terry. I wanted to do a new weight loss program, so I've started taking the HCG drops. Um, I'm on day one of the loading process where I get to eat as many and as much as I want as for some junk food. So today for breakfast I had Burger King. I took the drops at midnight last night, and I'm going to be taking them at noon today. Um, it's my hours I keep at work, so I figured 12 and 12 would work good for me. Um, so I did take the drops at midnight last night, and then I was doing the loading program. And since I had taken the drops, when I weighed myself before, I was at 194. And this morning, I was at 192 when I stepped onto the scale. So that was already a 2 pound drop, and I haven't even taken my second doses of drops yet. I have about an hour and a half before I do that. So I just wanted to do some videos. So right now I'm on day one, which is eating. It's called binge eating, where they want you to load up on all this stuff that's not really good for you. So wish me luck, and I'll keep some videos coming for you guys and let you know how my experience is with the HCG diet. Thank you.